I wanted to make a video about my spring lift that I put together for my trailer. And up front, I got this idea from a guy off of YouTube, and it seemed like the best one I've seen. I've seen other setups where people had like bars welded to the ramp and, you know, hooked up with shackle bolts and exposed springs outside the rails, which looked pretty unsafe. So I went with this guy's idea, and I used these 2x2s, 1/8, and instead of welding them to the top rail, I did what he did. Made these little straps, welded the straps to the tubes. There's 3 of them on the front, middle, and the back. And then I just through bolted it through the top rail of the trailer. And inside of these tubes, I put 130-pound garage door springs. These are 3/8 bolts. And the spring comes back. It's a 3/16 cable. Right here, the garage door cable comes up, furled in, made this connection point, and this is nothing more than a 3/16 piece of metal. Countersunk the holes. Then I tapped the holes. I didn't drill them all the way through and through bolt it. I just tapped them. They were real easy to do. And this is a 5/8 rod. I drilled a hole, 5/8 hole through here. I plug welded it, then added some support welds. The cable comes back, runs out through the end of the tubes, runs over these pieces of aluminum that I got in here. They fit in here perfectly. They're rounded. Comes up to the gate. This is a heavy gate, real heavy. Got these 3/8 pins from True Value. They work real nice. This is my first attempt at one of these lifts, but I think it turned out pretty good. As you can see, you know, one finger, just grab it, comes down, it'll stop, comes down nice and easy. Set it down, there you go. Going up, just grab it, one hand pushes up in place. The tension on these cables holds the gate up in place, holds it upright. So yeah, there you go. Like I said, this is my first attempt at one of these. I had to give mad props to the guy I got the idea from, and just like him, I got like maybe 60 bucks in the materials between the tubes, the springs, and the hardware. But yeah, it turned out really nice. Alright guys, I hope you guys can fab one up the same way. Alright, have a nice day.